Welcome to Pindar Poetry. We hope you learned something new.
Sign in at Amazon. Jobs using your current email and password on a secure device. Keep your phone ready for two-step verification codes during the entire process. Confirm you can receive emails at both current and new addresses before proceeding. Disable any browser autofill that might insert incorrect credentials accidentally. Have a secondary email or recovery phone number available for account recovery steps. Allow up to 30 minutes for email delivery and confirmations to appear in your inbox. Open your Amazon Jobs profile settings and select contact information to edit email. Enter the new email address exactly as you want it to appear, and then click Save Changes to update. You will immediately receive a verification email sent to the new address for confirmation. Follow the verification link exactly as shown in that message to confirm the change. Return to profile settings to ensure the new email displays correctly after confirmation. Expect a verification email to the new address within 30 minutes. Click the verification link in the new email to confirm ownership and finalize the change immediately. After confirming, update two-step verification and recovery phone settings so security remains intact for future logins. Review your saved job applications and notifications to ensure they now go to the new address. Log out and then log back in using the new email and your existing password to test successful access. If you do not receive the verification email, check spam, wait 30 minutes and request resend.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.